Jess, Mac, this is it.
You got this, Ty. Good luck.
It's like I told Navarro. Luck ain't got nothing to do with it.
This is it, Princess. The Outlaw rush is on.
Roads up in the air. I'll let you know if you get full empty.
These guys are the top racers in the country. Just remember, all you need to qualify for the next round is to place the top half.
Thanks, Jess. There's only one way I have to do this. I race to win.
I hope you didn't think I was going to play fair with him.
Tied up, heads up. House of Forces headed your way.
Nothing I can't handle.
I hope so, bro. I recognize some of those cars.
Holtzman, the V-Left, Nova, take him out.
You got it. Get it.
Out left, nobody's still trying to save the world.
Listen, Morgan, are you ready to be taken out? The collector called in a demolition job, and I'm here to deliver.
Oh, this does not look good. Here comes the coming, and it's headed straight for time corner.
Bye-bye.
Well, I'm out.
Can't speak to one was full. I'm out as well.
Now you get to watch me win.
That was the last time, brother. Now go win this thing.
I've got this.
Rush goes all the way back to the bootleggers of the Roaring 20s. That's right, the Outlaw and Outlaw Rush is legit.
You're doing great, Ty. You're first halfway through the first leg.
Gotta keep it up.
Beating the blacklist, stuck the speed king, ran the run. Outlaw Rush, the nation's top street racing challenge.
Hey, kid, just on the city break leg. Well, not literally, obviously.
Thanks.
Just be sure to win, okay? Because if I lose my casino, I will actually break over leg. Just kidding. I'm not kidding at all. I will win the goddamn race.
Tyler is in first place despite some heavy interference from the house. As long as he stays in the top half, he will qualify for the next leg. The street race to the observatory is only the first of 3 legs in the Outlaw Rush. And if you think this one is tough, racers wait until you see the off-road section coming up.
Almost at the observatory.
You're in the lead, and the off-road car is waiting. Go, go, go.
Tyler Morgan takes the first leg of the Outlaws Rush.
What are you waiting for? Finish him. Call another cruise then. What do you mean they're all taken out? Call in our friends on the force. Make sure no one gets through except our man.